India's IT sector is buzzing amid the ongoing Q1 earnings season. Infosys posted its best ever quarterly performance in a decade. The past 3 years were all about bringing Infosys to stability and getting large deals momentum back. Salil Parekh, CEO and MD of Infosys, said the focus for the next 3 years is on how they work as one Infosys and support clients in their digital transformation.
And today, you know this very well, clients are really accelerating what they're doing on digital. And there are two sort of broad themes on that. One is extreme automation that we are seeing that we're putting in place for our clients that takes care of their across the enterprise technology activities. And that gives them much more efficiency. And here Infosys is absolutely the leading player because we have the best capabilities in this area. Then clients are looking at taking that benefit from their efficiency and driving more into digital because they want to connect more with their customers, with their employees, with their ecosystem. And even when they don't have sufficient in their from this efficiency, they are now looking beyond cost into really investing because each of them can see the growth.
Last year, Infosys launched Cobalt, a series of services, solutions, and platforms for enterprises to accelerate their cloud journey. Basically, it is a cloud capability platform across public-private cloud, hybrid, SaaS, industries, and infrastructure players. It offers 14,000 cloud assets and over 200 industry cloud solution blueprints.
We've got over 200 industry-specific templates in our Cobalt capability. We've got about 20,000 what we call artifacts, really accelerators that clients can use. So whether you're looking to go big bang into cloud, whether you want to do something which is a combination private, public, big play, all of that is with Infosys. And really the test of all of this is what market share we are gaining. So you look at the growth, 14 to 16%. We are clearly the industry-leading growth company today.
Well, during the past 3 or 4 quarters, demand for digital transformation has been phenomenal. But can this be sustained?
What we are seeing is technology is becoming pervasive. We are seeing it obviously in our everyday lives, but the large companies are seeing it in everything that they do. So today it's not so much just as one type of a wave, it's everything that's going on with large enterprises is technology driven. That and then this move to digital where we are in the very early stages of this move from a worldwide perspective. You look at any of the statistics as a percentage of work being done digitally, as a percentage of revenue, transactions, it's all growing, but it's still not the majority. And that gives a lot of traction for the medium and long term for technology.
Now the question remains how Infosys will be able to harness this growth. To which Salil Parekh said they are building something similar to Cobalt in data analytics. He claimed Infosys is strong in AI, automation, and innovation will be key to benefit multifold from this tech growth.
Yeah, here is what are large enterprises looking for. So if you're a large enterprise, you could today look at really a big play on public cloud. You can then look at what do I do with the private cloud situation. You can then look at how do I leverage some of these elements of the ecosystem. And no one is able to bring this together as coherently for clients as this Cobalt is. And that's why we are seeing some of our success.
The country's software services sector struggled when the pandemic first hit the country last year. Thousands of tech employees have grown comfortable with working from home since. And some managers in the sector privately say they are worried about their ability to get workers back on site as and when the situation improves. Infosys told employees last week they could start attending office. Mr. Parekh said Infosys was able to add 8,000 people in Q1 because it has a very attractive proposition for those joining the company.
The aspirations of new college graduates are very different. There's a lot of interest in doing projects which have technologies which excite people. There's a lot of interest in doing different types of projects, so not only doing one. And there's some interest in doing projects across multiple industries and so on. We fortunately have the ability to do all of that. And we also have the ability, because we have teams all over the world which are mixed. So yes, we are doing some recruiting in those locations, but we still have opportunities for all of our employees in India, whether today it's in Europe, US, Australia, Canada, UK. All of those are opportunities for our employees to get that sort of an experience. Today, for example, if you look at a country like Germany, we have a huge demand there, which I think will be a tremendous source of opportunity for the next several years for our employees.
Well, the new income tax e-filing portal went live on June 7, 2021. However, numerous glitches in the functionality of the platform have been detected since its launch. Infosys was offered the contract to develop the IT portal in 2019. The Union Finance Ministry expects the website to start functioning normally by August first week. But how soon Infosys would resolve the IT portal issue?
Some points which needed attention at the start, several of those have been attended to. We are working very collaboratively with the Income Tax Department, with several associations, for example, associations of chartered accountants. We are working with individuals who are users of the system and making sure all of that is being done collaboratively. Many of those early points of attention have been addressed, and some more which remain are being jointly worked upon. So my own feeling is this is moving ahead, and all of the inputs are being taken in, and we are now working on it collaboratively.
If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com.